Everybody, today I am coming with the meridional exercise. So our body is consisting of 14 meridians, in which N meridian and young meridian, there are differences. Back side some meridians will flow, and front side some meridians will flow, and kidney, governing and conceptual vessel will run in the middle of the body. Okay, so all the 12 meridians out of 14, so it is situated on our hand and foot. Okay, so by doing, not only doing exercise, by doing the massaging to the fingers of your hand and your foot will improve the function of meridians, and it will strengthen the entire body in all the respects. This is a simple logic. Okay, so so many people will not touch their hands or foot, and simply they are exerting by doing all unwanted exercises. Okay, so if you do 60%, 70% exercise, if you concentrate 30% on your massaging your fingers, will take care of your entire body. Okay, any dreaded by this one diseases, or any long this one prolonging diseases like sugar complaint, BP, such things, even bowel movements, digestion problem, any allergic, everything will get relieved. You will get free from all these things. So I am going to explain the meridians, where it is situated, how it is situated, how we have to treat them. For example, in hand, this is the thumb, where your lung meridian is situated. So this is lung meridian, this is large intestine meridian, this is triple energizer meridian, this is a pericardium meridian. Pericardium is very close to the heart, which controls the heart functioning. Okay, this is heart meridian, as well as small intestine meridian. So like this, some points are starting points, some points are ending points. All other ending points or starting points, which will ended or started from your brain. So that's why I'm telling, our neck is having 72,000 nerves. Okay, so all the meridians will pass through your shoulders only. So we are taking care of shoulders, shoulder exercise, rotating like this, it will improve meridians, and doing stretching, it will improve meridian. Apart from that, so if you take the this one hand meridians, today I am going to explain only hand meridians. Tomorrow I am going to explain the foot meridians, what are those, and how to treat it. This is hand meridian. So if you take this, this is lungs. So you bend like this, you front bend, you make it back bend, you side bend like this. So it will take, the lung meridian will get improved, and pressing all the places like this. Okay, so this will, the lung meridian will get started from here, and this goes like this. That's why I told these two are very very vital points for lung. This is so many times I told, but even then newcomers are there, new viewers are there, just to educate them. These 2 points are very 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 important point, lung point, which will improve your lung power, and no any virus or this one bacteria will enter into your lungs, and lungs will keep you very healthy. So this is lung meridian. And rotating, back rotating, side bending, front bending, back bending, and staying for some this one. Why we have to do is, it will get structured. Okay, when you do this, this lung meridian will get stretched, and it will make the body improve. This is the concept where we have to point out, we have to highlight at this point. That's why I'm telling. This is large intestine. Large intestine, as you know, it helps in bowel movement, and the food what you have taken will be distributed to through hormones, and throughout the body, and it will take care of this one, any pain or anything, whatever you have eaten, unwanted things, it will get digested. This one large intestine, if it is good, your digestion will be good, and appetite will be good. When digestion is good, appetite will be good. whatever you want you can eat, otherwise you cannot eat anything. Okay, this is triple energizer, I already told. This is pericardium, and this is heart and small intestine meridian. How the large intestine is important, small intestine is also very important. And this is heart meridian. So by doing pressing, rotating this one, heart will get improved, and spleen, small intestine will get improved. And come to heart, because heart is also very important. And this is the heart meridian. This is very vital point for heart, this one functioning. If you keep pressing onward, okay, heart will get increase its functioning, and blood will be good. And by taking entire cardiovascular system will get improved, this point and this point. So these two are very important heart meridian points. If you keep pressing this one, this point and this point at this juncture, okay, and this point and this point, these two are very important. If you keep pressing these two and doing rotating, back bend, side bend, like this, if you keep on doing, it will keep the body and your health in good condition. So this is not an ordinary exercise, it has got its own vital importance and advantage. So don't miss to do this one whenever you are free, watching TV or attending meeting or any other things. You can do like this, you can do like this, okay. And back bending, and side bending like this, and thumb also. So if you keep on doing this one like this, this will improve your immunity and strength. Metabolism will get improved, because here large intestine and small intestine are there. Two are vital points for digestion and other things. So these things will be treated properly whenever you are free. Okay, you stay like this, you stay for some, thus the meridians will get stretched and energized at a time. So you do this, and back side you bend like this, okay. Side bending you do like this, okay. This I am keep on repeating because I want to brush up your mind, okay. That's why I want to reiterate, you should do it, okay. Tomorrow we are coming back with foot meridians. There the spleen meridian is there, and liver meridian is there, stomach meridian is there, this bladder meridian is there, gallbladder meridian is there, which are all the meridians which are get ended at the tips of the fingers, okay. All the 10 fingers are very important. So it gives a very good strength. So apart from doing pranayama and a physical exercise, simply sit, you put the cross legs, you take 1 foot above and you do it. My friend Mr. Somshakar is going to demonstrate the foot meridians, how to treat it, how to every day massage it and keep the body in a good condition. You observe, by doing 15 days or 20 days, whatever the ailment, you can have some stomach pain or indigestion problem, or this one bowel movement, loose motions or constipation, everything will get rid of. It's okay. Even urine problem, urination, very difficult to urinate or very frequent urinations, all these will get rid of within 15 to 20 days. If you put oil, olive oil like that for at the time of massaging or rotating, it gives more this flexibility and strengthen to the fingertips, okay. Please do it. This is a very important this one, and you keep on doing entire to improve your entire body. Thank you, and be healthy and make our nation healthy. Thank you.